Did you know every night there are 50,000 kids in Santa Clara Valley who go hungry? The reason they go hungry is their families cannot even afford the double income to pay their rent. So if they have to make a choice between paying the rent and not being homeless versus having their kids go hungry, they rather pay rent. So our nonprofit was founded to help these needy families to be able to feed those 50,000 hungry kids. So the question is, how do we come up with the money which allows us to give them a free vegetable garden and the training? So the way we have figured this, we come to companies like yours, eBay, and we offer your employees 4 types of vegetable gardens that they can plant and purchase from Valley Verde. The 3 products are, we have a wine barrel vegetable garden that they can buy for $80. We have a 4x4 feet garden they can purchase for $300. And the employees get, as a result of the purchase, they get the assessment from Valley Verde, what is the sun and the direction and the placement. They get the soil and they get the seed and they get the wine barrel. For 4x4, they get a pre-assembled kit, the soil, a packet of seeds, and the assessment. And exactly the same thing for the 4x8 model. What we do when we sell these your employees those kits, we take 20% of the profits and we use those profits to provide free vegetable gardens to families who have to make a sacrifice of having their 50,000 kids go hungry to bed. So our goal is by 2022, we want to have 20,000 vegetable gardens in the Santa Clara Valley. Part of those gardens will come from your employees who purchase those kits, but a significant part will come from the needy families who need to feed those 50,000 kids. So what we have done, we have closed a loop, a win-win situation. We not only feed the kids who go hungry, but we also enable your employees to eat healthy. And the reason they need to eat healthy is it's good for their health, it lowers the medical costs, and actually it's a good workout to free up the mind from a thinking and relaxation standpoint. So that is what we would like to partner up with you and like know how we can move forward with this joint venture.
That's good.